Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you turn on your SMS on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to turn on SMS, just go to your settings. So guys, after going to settings, scroll down and go to your messages. Click on messages. Here you can see the first one is iMessage. If it is turned off, you need to just turn it on. Now scroll down and here you can see this option here, send as SMS. You need to just toggle it on. If it is disabled, just toggle it to turn on. And by doing this, you can just turn on SMS on your device. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you have find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.